Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of homecoming dresses, a topic that's all about style, glamour, and making unforgettable memories. If you are getting ready for your homecoming dance or you just love fashion, you are in the right place. Homecoming dresses come in a variety of styles, and this year we have got some exciting trends to share with you. Show images and clips of trendy homecoming dresses. From classic A-line silhouette to bold and sexy design, there's a style for every taste. Don't forget to consider the latest color and embellishments to stay on trend. Now let's get into some practical tips for dress shopping. Show clips of different dresses being tried on. Remember to consider your body type and personal style. It's essential to feel comfortable and confident in your dress. Visit local boutiques or shop online, but be sure to check return policies and order early to allow for alternation. And don't forget about accessories to complete your look. If you have found the perfect dress but need some adjustment, you can try some simple DIY alternation. Demonstrate easy alternation like hemming, taking in the waist, or adding straps. Remember, you don't have to be professional seamstress to make these changes, and it can save you money. Now it's time for the most exciting part, trying on some gorgeous homecoming dresses. Showcase a variety of dresses, discussing their unique features, styles, and how they could fit different occasions. We had love to hear which dress you like the most, so drop your thoughts in the comment below. That wraps up our ultimate homecoming dress guide. Recap the key takeaway from the video. Before we go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and inspiration. Thank you for joining us today, and we cannot wait to see your fabulous homecoming looks. Stay stylish.